Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are going to read passage number 10. This is surah number 114 of the Holy Quran. It is surah An-Nas. It says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nasi, malikin nasi, ilahin nas, min sharril waswasil khannas, الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. صدق الله العظيم. Say, I seek refuge with the Lord of mankind, the King of mankind, the God of mankind, from the mischief of the whisperer who withdraws, who whispers into the hearts of mankind, among jinns and among mankind. What is the main theme, or what are the main themes of this passage? This is the last surah of the Holy Quran, and its main theme is Allah's relationship with His created world. This and surah number 113, Al-Falaq, together are known as the two protections. In Arabic it is called Mu'awwizatain. Both were revealed to calm people's fear of the supernatural and the unknown, the internal and the external evils that affect them. Surah An-Nas assures the people that Allah alone is in charge, and only by surrendering our weak wills to His can we ever hope to keep ourselves out of all the temptations that surround us. It mentions Allah's threefold relationship with man in the first three verses, and then mentions the methodology of Satan for accomplishing his ugly mission to misguide man. Satan, assisted by jinns and humans, whispers evils in the hearts of the people. When a person remembers Allah, the devil holds himself back. What is the importance of this theme, or these themes, in a Muslim's life? The importance of this theme in a Muslim's life is that the very first word of this surah requires him to obey the commands of Allah. It instills obedience to Allah, for how can one ask Him for help while disobeying Him? Hence, a Muslim truly seeking help from Allah must obey Him. Such sincere obedience also removes arrogance and the false beliefs from people's hearts. This theme teaches a Muslim to remain obedient to Allah. According to the Holy Quran, the devil will not be able to deviate the righteous servants of Allah. So this was our today's lecture, and please, my dear students, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.